All right, welcome back. So in this video, we have a program kind of set up here where we're gonna compare two strings, and we just want to see if those two strings are equal or are they the same. And so we can set up our if here. Again, we have an else set up here that's, these are not the same. So here's my first variable. It's called S1. Here's my second variable. I just called it S2. And so I can just say that S1 dot equals, and I can just say S2, and this will actually just tell me, is S1 the same as S2? And if I run that here, and I apologize, sometimes it's a little slow, but let's say we do frog and frog, and they come up as equal. Now the one issue with this is if we run this and let's say one of the letters is capitalized, let's say I do frog, oops, and then I do a lowercase frog like that, and I hit enter, it's going to say it's not the same. Now if you wanted, this is case sensitive that we have right here, so it looks at the letter and the case of it is, whether it's uppercase or lowercase. But if you wanted to, you just wanted to check the letter and you didn't care whether you had uppercase or lowercase, well then you can change that actually. You can just tell it that S1 here is going to be, we'll move it to lowercase. So we can do, and then we'll do the same with the S2 here. And you could make these uppercase as well. I mean, I just chose to do lowercase, but if you wanted to make them uppercase, you could do that as well. But what's going to end up happening is it's going to take S1 and it's going to change it to all the text is going to be lowercase. And then we're going to say that it's equal to S2, and we're going to make all the S2 lowercase so that they're the same when we compare them, and it's just going to look at the letters. So let's go ahead and run this. Hopefully I didn't make a spelling error somewhere. I did. Equals, yes, got to put the parameters in there. All right, sorry about that. You had to have the brackets here to allow for parameters because you're using a method to two lowercase. You got to have the brackets in here. All right, so let's run that again. And then that's what you have right there too. So now when we do frog and do lowercase frog, it's going to say that they equal, because what it did is it moved S1 to all the characters became lowercase, and did that with S2 as well, just in case if we ended up having a different letter here that was uppercase. So this would be a way to just check just the actual letter to see if the letters are the same regardless of what case they are, regardless if they're uppercase or lowercase. Okay? All right. Hey, I hope this helps you with your coding, and good luck.